Hi, I'm Shelley from uppercasedesigns.ca, and this is my beautiful daughter Sarah and two of her beautiful daughters, Sam and Alyssa. They're going to help us today. So what we've got here is a brand new product. It's called the Jumbo Blanket Loom. It's making blankets on steroids. I kid you not. Anyways, so this is the Jumbo Chunky Blanket Loom. This is the standard Chunky Blanket Loom that you can make blankets very quickly, but we're going to have a Loom-Off. We're going to have a race to see which one we can make a blanket faster. So what we did was we got the same amount of stitches, so we have the same width. So you've got 12 on the Chunky Blanket Loom, and on the Jumbo we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 on the Jumbo, and what we're going to do is have a Loom-Off, and we're going to see how fast in 5 minutes, how much we can make in 5 minutes, and it's a race. Okay, go.
Well, Alexa, start a timer.
Oh, Alexa, give us a 5-minute timer. Okay. All right, we're gonna have a race. Okay, so what should the prize be?
The prize is going to be Disney World. No.
Oh.
Disneyland.
Disney World.
Yeah. Disney World.
No, it's not going to be a trip. It's going to be, I'll pick. If I win, whoops, what did I do there?
If you
I
win,
got messed up.
If I win,
let's go to Disneyland.
I get a sleepover. My grandkids come over for a sleepover. If Mom wins,
we get to go
then
to Disneyland.
I get the grandkids to come over for a sleepover.
So we win. That's the exact same thing.
It is.
That means no
You
matter
win.
what,
You're going to win.
no matter what, we all win.
How many rows does Mommy have?
1, 2. She's on her 4th.
Bless you.
No, she's on her 8th. No, she's on her 4th. And you're on your
I was too busy talking.
You're on your 4th, I think. So she's on her 3rd. 1, 2.
Whoa, your Mommy's way ahead of me. Okay. Is the video on?
Mm-hmm.
Tell.
Go, Grandma! Go, Mommy. Go, Grandma. Go, Mommy. Go, Grandma. Go, Mommy. Are you going to switch?
And the yarn that you use for the Jumbo Blanket Loom is a Jumbo number 8. So the regular Chunky Blanket Loom is a level 7 Jumbo, and Jumbo number 7 for the Chunky Blanket Loom, and for the Jumbo Blanket Loom, it's a Jumbo number 8.
Are you smiling?
Who's smiling? There's no smiling. It's a race to the finish. 5 minutes is going to go by fast. So should I do the gray or the white?
White.
White?
Yeah.
All right.
White.
I like the gray.
Well, I don't need another.
Mom, you should do this one. Mom, you do this.
No, we already did that one.
Yeah.
We're only doing one color. It's just I only have this one color.
Grandma's on her 6th. Mom's on her 5th. Yep, Grandma's on her 6th.
Yeah.
Mommy's on her 5th. Hey! You just pushed Mommy in.
I think that was the point.
Trying to throw your Mommy off so I can beat her.
Yeah. I'll get them.
Might not need it by the time it
Yeah.
I'm going to race.
Sam wants Grandma to win.
I want Grandma to win. I want Buffy to win. So we get both of those.
Okay, I'm going to sit
Two
down.
sleepovers.
I'll sit down and have a cup of tea and wait for your mummy to catch up.
No. Wait, how does it go? Slow wins the race?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slow and steady.
Yeah, slow and steady wins the race. Like the bunny. He
No.
was 2 and
Oh, or the turtle.
You're like the bunny. You wanna. You're like the bunny. You
bunny
wanna
that's
sit
going to
down.
run out of
You wanna
battery.
sit down and have a
Cup of tea?
Yeah, and then Mom's gonna catch up like the
That's
turtle
just going to
and then
be,
win.
that's right.
Go take a cup of tea.
Okay, how big is Mum's compared to mine?
7. You're on your 8.
There's our timer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're on your 6.
Wow, that was 5 minutes.
You're on
Are
your
we
Mommy
finishing the row?
Mommy gets to do
Okay, so let's
Grandma's
finish
The row?
the row.
And then I call count.
So I didn't
wanna
even
count
get to
those.
use another ball of yarn.
I want to count them.
I'm gonna
counting Mommy. Grandma has.
Tell me when you're done.
Done.
All right.
Grandma
Okay,
has
so we can see
1, 2, 3,
if we
4.
hold them up,
I want to count.
you can see in that amount of time how much quicker the Jumbo Blanket Loom is if you compare the sizes. So this one has more stitches, so it takes a little bit longer. And this one has less stitches, but the yarn is much chunkier. And so you can, it's making a blanket on steroids for sure with the Jumbo Blanket Loom. Anyways, check them out, uppercasedesigns.ca. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Grandma has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the winner is Grandma. The winner is
Yay,
Grandma.
I get to sleep over with the
counted.
grandkids.